On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don tell migrant returnees say opportunity dey for them for ICT and agricultural sector. Governor Godwin Obaseki don tell returnees dem say him administration go create more empowerment opportunity for them and other youths for Edo State, as Edo State government wan grow Edo State agripreneur program make e for contain them. Governor talk this one for forum where Edo State Task Force Against Human Trafficking (ETAT) organize for Benin City. This Ogbonge forum wey they organize give the returnees opportunity to talk with governor on top the work wey him administration dey do to take better the lives of the returnee them wey come back from Libya. Obaseki con tell them say the first thing wey him administration dey do na to make Edo State be better house for them so that them no go think of to travel again, and then they do this one for the returnees as then they create basic amenity for them and then they give them better informate wey go make them get better job. Governor talk say government get money to do all this kind thing if people no go dey thief the money. He talk say make the returnees organize themselves so that them go fit gain from the plenty opportunity wey dey on top agriculture and information communication technology ICT. Chairperson for Edo State Task Force Against Human Trafficking, Professor Yinka Omorogbe, con talk say them organize this forum to take thank Governor Godwin Obaseki for all the Ogbonge work wey him administration dey do to better returnees life for Edo State. She still talk say this one opportunity for the returnees to tell governor their problem because them not dey see themselves as returnees again. Omorogbe con still show governor some of the returnees wey them don train on top solar panel installation and those wey dey work as traffic officers for Edo State and even the ones wey don start their business for Edo State. She con show all these kind people give Edo State governor. One of the returnees, Musa Okundia, con tell Governor Godwin Obaseki say make him administration do Ogbonge check on top non-governmental organizations wey be NGOs wey dey use returnees name take dey lie dey make money but dem no dey empower them. Now here we see this Ogbonge informate reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don tell migrant returnees say Ogbonge opportunity dey for them on top ICT and agricultural sector for Edo State. Make una sabi say this Ogbonge informate wey waka come meet una so na Till Live Media na im bring am come give una. And to get more of this Ogbonge informate, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for Till Live Media TV. Comment, like and follow us for Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for Till Live Media. Una fit log on to our website for www.tillivemedia.com.